Hey guys, it's time for another makeup video. I was challenged to use this palette, which Revolution is very good, but I haven't used it enough to really give it a chance. And when Stacy did her video, she had the same palette, so she challenged me to do blue and purple. And I got the shirt on for it, so let's get into it. I am going to use this purple here and this blue up here called Macaw. So let's see how this works. Let's see, what are we going to use here? We're going to use purple at the top or blue. Now we'll use purple on the corners too. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Yeah, we'll use purple. I haven't used this palette enough to say whether or not the pigment's good or not. It looks like I dug into some colors. I'm gonna try not to talk too much. Yeah, we need a more stipple brush. I think, if I have to guess, this is going to be the type of palette where you're going to have to spray your brush. Where did that bee go? I hope he left. There was a bee on my screen and I'm freaking out. Okay, so I am going to use my, usually I have that cheap e.l.f. stuff, but I'm going to use my hard candy setting spray to wet my brush because the pigment in this is not, it's not great. So let's try it and spray the brush. As much as I try to use it normally, I can't do it. I can't guarantee how this look is going to come out, but I'm going to try my best. And I don't own the rights to this music. Just a quick disclaimer there. I don't know if you guys ever had to do this with, I mean, it's not bad enough for me to throw away the palette. It's still a good palette. But the colors pop. And you know, I set my eye primer with white translucent powder. You know, it sucks that I have to do my eyes two different ways because they slope differently. This one always comes out good. So far, so good. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Definitely not doing a red lip. I think I'm gonna do blue or purple, to be honest with you. I have nice blues and I have nice purples. Let's dig in for a minute. No, I'm not using that one. Although, this is pretty. This is pretty. Let's see what else I got here. And I got this, but this is more of a nude and it's a flat pink. So I've got, ooh, I forgot about these. Let's see what I got here. I got Purple Rain by Dose Colors, which is really pretty. And I think this is NYX Liquid Suede. It's a matte. It says cream, but it's not a cream, it's a matte. I have a lot of these. These are really nice. The name of this one is, oh, there's not. It's LSCL06. It's the same as Blow Pony by Jeffree Star. Exactly. It's exact same formula, exact same color. You would not know that this is NYX and it's not Jeffree Star. So that's Blow Pony. And then we've got, what else do we got here? I know I got Jawbreaker somewhere. Maybe I don't. I had it. I just want to see the difference. Well, I'll be damned. I must have thrown it away. This one should get thrown away too. Okay, it would have been in here, but I don't have it, so I don't know what happened to it. Oh, nope, that's not it. Anyway, so I've got a Smurf Blue, which is the same as Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star. Exact same. I've got Purple Rain, and then I've got this one. This, I think Purple Rain is a little bit darker. Let's take some swatches just for a minute. Purple Rain. NYX Suede. And I know, oops. And I know this one is going to be a bright blue. But it depends on how my blue shadow comes out. Ooh, this is nice. It depends on how the top one is the NYX, the middle one is Purple Rain by Dose Colors, and the bottom one is NYX, the blue one. I'm really considering the blue one. I haven't worn a bright blue, and I think it'll go good with the colors that were picked from my palette. Okay, well, we got the lippy figured out. Let's do some blending. Let's see if I can sit a little closer. I am doing a collab sometime this month for Pride Month. Me and Stacy are doing a collab together, and I probably won't do that one till maybe next time. Excuse me, guys. You know, it's like when you wash dishes, you always have to blow your nose, or you got an itch, or you got some shit. Oh, we got some fallout. haven't noticed any fallouts in my palettes in a while, but that's all right. It's quite all right. I'm actually glad I'm using this palette because I just never gave it enough love. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've used 9 colors out of 18, so I used half the palette, but I don't think I used it enough. I think what happened was I got frustrated because the pigment wasn't there, and I just gave up on the palette. I don't want to do that again. No ring light yet. I wonder if I can, you know what, I better not mess with nothing, because I was wondering if I could bring this up closer. I'm not messing with it. Anyway, this is the way it's going to have to be until I get the ring light. Sometimes that I just a day or two. So there's going to be a lot of blending with this palette. I can tell you that right now. I don't want no harsh lines. This side looks beautiful. This side, well, not bad. Not bad. Just put it down on the sides. No more broken hearts. We've got a rough apart. Let's give it a try. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Let's see if I can try it this way. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Okay, so I've used some purples that are brighter than this, but I kind of like the kind of pastel kind of purple. It's very light. I'm just trying to darken the corners. I want the corners darker, especially in that crease area. Lots of fallout with this palette. But it's okay. It's not worth throwing away. Nothing a little makeup wipe can't take care of. To believe in you. I could really use another coffee, to be honest with you. Just tell me sweet little lies. Okay, macaw is going to be... It's going to be interesting. A clean brush. I have 2 of this brush. This is by Lavish. I got it in my boxy, and I am telling you girls, I miss my boxy so much. This one looks like I sprayed the setting spray in the pan. I hope I can get some pigment out of this. Yeah, it definitely works better with spray. I don't remember how Stacy's look came out with this palette. I don't remember if her pigment, I mean not her pigment, I don't know if the colors she chose had more pigment than the ones I'm using, or if she struggled a little bit. I'm going to have to ask her that. I have this color in other palettes, but she wanted me to do this one, so I'm doing this one. I had to try to find a shirt, which I'm probably going to wear this shirt for my Pride look too. Because it's the only, like, rainbow colored shirt, or all my shirts are black. Where's my brush? I'll use a clean one. Well, I'm glad it's not dark, because the lashes that I chose today are not dramatic lashes. I know I had said before that if you're going to do a dark look with any color, you should use dramatic lashes, or semi-dramatic, because if you made any mistakes, you can at least cover them up with you can at least cover them up with the lashes, and it hides any mistakes. Yeah, I'm thinking of the blue lipstick, because I really don't want red. Oh yeah, I forgot another disclaimer. This is going to be a long video, because I'm slow. So if you've got an hour to spare, sit with me. If you could see this eye up close, with a ring light you would, but if you could see it up close, how good it looks. Should claim your love. Then again, I don't know. I might not wear this shirt for the Pride look. I might wear either a black shirt, because a rainbow goes with everything, so. my God, that bee is still in my window. I stuffed a towel in the top so he couldn't get through, but I hope he goes down and out. I hope he fries there. I hope the sun fries his fucking ass. Oops. It is rated M. Alright, let's try a clean brush. Let's get blue on it. I'm sorry, I'm paranoid. At my age, I'm 53 years old. I don't know if I'm allergic to bees now that I'm older. I know I wasn't when I was younger that I know of, but now that I'm older, I don't know. We gotta go back in with that blue. If you have any brushes that look like this, do not throw them away. They're not damaged. They're just used, loved, and they blend awesome. We're in 22 minutes. Not so bad. Excuse me. Okay. We need to go in with that blue. And it's got to be darker. And you know, I have that same color blue in other palettes. Let me see if I can show you guys in the light. So we need a little blue. I want it a little darker than that. Once I get my ring light, I will never have to show you guys in the light again. I was gifted this palette, and I was gifted the other one that goes with it. It's a green palette, which I've been dying to do a green look because I have a really cool army green shirt that says "Don't be salty" on it. So I think that would look really nice. And I have, go ahead and laugh, but I have an army green lip color. And yes, I've worn it before and I love it. Slip your hand inside of my blood. Hold me. How am I gonna manage with you? Let's just do a little more blue and then call it a day. I'll be waiting for you if you ever wanna be there. Nice. I'm happy. Let's just hope my lashes go on with no problem. I don't see that happening. There's always a fucking problem with the lashes. And I know I'm not the only one that struggles. There's good times and bad times, and I just mostly have bad times. Okay, so I'm gonna cut. No coffee. I keep grabbing for my coffee. There's no friggin' coffee, Carla. Hold on to me. I think if I can find it here. Here it is. Instead of stamping today, I'm going under with a brush. Let's see what's gonna make this look pop. I don't want to do too many colors. We'll do blue. Okay, so I'm done with this palette. I did my blue and purple. It wasn't hard. I hope you guys like this video. I'm really trying not to talk too much. Okay. Let me curl my lashes a little bit here. I'm weird. I clean everything as I use it, you know. Even my makeup brushes, I don't wash them all the time, but in maintenance, I'll take a makeup wipe and just take the brush and just as a maintenance to clean them off. And if you're working with glitter and you get a lot of fallout, or fallout in general, but mostly glitter, Scotch tape is your best friend to get that off. Just don't go too close to your under eye. Well, that's pretty. Okay, guys, I am gonna attempt to do my lashes. I'll be right back. Hey guys, lashes went on beautiful. Can't see them, but they're very, oh my God, that bee is there again. He needs to get the fuck out of here. I hope he fries. Okay. I am not disappointed in the look. I think it looks cute. Right now I'm going to use my highlighter Milk. And this is called Holographic Highlighting Powder. And it is such a pretty, pretty color. For the inner corner especially. Okay. Take a little. This is the Morphe. It doesn't say. And Milk doesn't have mirrors, so we're going to have to do it like this. I wish I had a ring light. But I'm hoping it's fun for you to at least watching isn't boring. I'm going to use that highlighter too. Sometimes I don't know when you love someone. Okay, let's make sure the face has no fallout, no glitter. Nothing, nothing, nothing. I need to know if you feel it too. Maybe I'm wrong. I won't be doing my hair on camera because it takes way too long. We're in 32 minutes. I thought I was going to struggle longer with my lashes, to be honest. Does that stuff really blur? Yeah, it does. I think I said this last time. Okay. It's either Laura Geller or Pearlise. I'm thinking about the Pearlise. Laura Geller is just too fucking light. It's just too fucking light. I'll use it as a setting powder. Fuck it. You're so good. And I put my dots on my brush. People say that you shouldn't do that. I don't know why they say that. For me, some people use the back of their hands. I can't stand foundation on the back of my hands or anything like that. So I just start from the middle and work my way out. I do not use concealer. It could be because I just don't do it right, but I just don't think on my face at 53 that I should be using concealer. Because no matter what you do, if you got wrinkles under there, they're gonna fucking crease and cake up. I just don't care who you are. It is gonna happen unless you have a beautiful, flawless face already. Like these young girls that do their skincare and they have beautiful skin. Let them not take care of their skin for a few years and see what happens with all the sun damage. And they talk about the sun soaking up so much product. I think it has to do with because it's a BB cream and not an actual foundation. Some people don't care for sponges. Some people say it soaks up too much product. It's probably true, actually. piercings loaded with foundation. I don't like that. So I am going to take care of that. You can't confess. Sometimes I gotta take it. And I don't go all the way to my hairline, so yeah, you can see a little white space, but I don't like blending into my hairline, not the foundation, but I will do the powder when I'm bronzing. Bronzing? I will do that. I'm the one that has to take a shower and wash this shit out, especially where I don't wash my hair every day. I was shopping for foundations yesterday, and it is unbelievable how much a foundation is in the store. I went for the True Match. I wanted to try that, and it's like $14. I don't know if it's because I went to CVS. They tend to have the more expensive, like almost high end. Like I was looking for a good moisturizer, and I wanted to do the L'Oreal Revitalift, which is really, really good. It's really hot right now, and but it's $31 a jar. Really? I got one for $6. It's the generic of Olay Regenerist, and it's a good, very light scent, pleasant scent, and it does hydrate your skin. It doesn't dry out. If you have dry patches, it takes right care of it. And you know what I paid? $6. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, man. Okay. I do my chin. I didn't do my chin. This is probably why people put the dots on their face. I'm going to set this with L'Oreal. I'm going to. And I'm losing again. I'm going to throw that away. Well, maybe should I throw this away? Yeah, I'm going to, because I have my Blur Magic Primer. Let me clean my piercing. Well, this isn't good. I don't like that. I do not like when my piercing gets dirty. It's horrible. Okay, we're clean. Of course I gotta blow my nose. I'm not. I refuse. So, I got translucent, I got the pad, and then I got the L'Oreal. Let's set it with L'Oreal. I'm really not a fan of this powder. I'm really not. I am really not a fan. I got some of these triangle things from a friend. I got 2 of them. I'm hoping they help. I know the Lorigella does not sit in your pores. I can say that for sure. But I feel like you need to use so much of it to get any coverage. And I don't rub it in. I dab it in.